Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So this car has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You also get 16-inch alloy wheels, DAB digital radio, there's air conditioning, and you also get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.